Good morning guys, I just finished doing my makeup. I'm just gonna do a few errands today. Tomorrow is Aiden's birthday, so I am actually gonna be going to the supermarket. I'm gonna be sorting out his decorations, wrapping his presents and stuff like that today. I've just finished doing my makeup and I just wanted to quickly show you a couple of things that I've really been liking. I actually just opened this today. This is the Benefit Microfilming Pen. I already have things that are similar to this one, but I used the Benefit one today and it's actually really good. I've been really enjoying my brows being more fluffy and more bushy, so as you can see my eyebrows are quite like full and bushy. It just makes me look a little bit younger, I guess. Another one that I've really been loving is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This for covering dark circles and blemishes is so good. I actually put it on underneath my foundation or cushion compact. Today I'm wearing the Laneige cushion compact. It's nearly out. I'm number 23, so I need to refill that. Also, base wise, Ordinary Niacinamide and the Elemis hydration juice has been my go-to. As you can see, I've nearly finished. It's really good for oily skin. This helps control oil, and then this is really light. It's like a gel lotion, so it's not too heavy at all. And also another one that I've been loving is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. This is in the shade Apricot. Put it on under my eyes. It's really good for hiding dark circles and neutralizing the dark undertones. What else have I been loving? There's a couple of more things that I've been loving I really want to talk to you guys about. Hourglass Blush, I've actually nearly finished it. This is Dim Infusion. I hardly ever hit pan on blushes because I have so many, but this one I've literally been using it so much that it's at the end of its life. Also, what else have I been loving? NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Recently gotten back into this as well. And my mascara, I've found this in my kind of like makeup drawers where I have unopened makeup. I didn't realize that I had one left and I had finished my mascara, so I went for a little rummage and I found this one, and honestly guys, I forgot how much I love it. Let me show you my eyelashes. These are my natural eyelashes with this mascara. No falsies, no nothing. It's see if I can zoom you guys in. Yeah, I love it so much. Not been wearing falsies because obviously there's no point recently, so I just apply a generous amount of mascara. And I've also been contouring my nose differently. Can you guys notice a difference? I'm gonna do a whole video on that soon, because my nose contouring video on YouTube is one of my most viewed videos, kind of like monthly, even though I made it like quite a few years ago. Every month it gets a good amount of views. So I guess a lot of people are still like interested and really want to know how to contour nose, especially because my nose is on a larger size, so, well, the larger end of nose size, so I have to contour my nose when I do my makeup. But I've been contouring it differently for the past few days and I really like it, so I'm gonna do a updated nose contouring video soon, so that'll be out soon. And then yeah, I haven't done my hair yet. Probably need to give it a brush and just keep it in a ponytail for today. But yeah, that's today's plans. So I've just been to Morrison's and luckily I managed to get a number 5 balloon and filled with helium, because I know a lot of shops are closed now, so I was praying that Morrison's like party section where they do like a lot of balloons is still open, and it was. So I'm now off to Smith's to pick up a click and collect. I got Aiden, he's already got he's already got 3 presents, but I picked up some, well I haven't picked it up yet, I need to go pick it up. I bought him some games, like not like toys, but like what did I get him? I got him Snakes and Ladders, I got him another game, and I got him one that's a bit like Operation, which is such a classic and I think he'll really enjoy it. And what else did I got him? I got him a Minecraft sword. He did say that he wanted one last time when he was in there, but I think he's forgotten about it, but I remembered, so I've got him a Minecraft sword as well. And yeah, we haven't really bought him that many presents this year compared to previous years, just because he has so many toys and it just gets a bit stupid sometimes, because he on his dad's side he has quite a lot of family as well, and they all get him toys. My sister always spoils him, my friends get him presents, and he just ends up with a lot of presents, and sometimes I just think it's a bit OTT. So this year we've kind of scaled it back and just bought him a few things that he really wanted, because next month is Christmas and then he gets more toys, and it's just like, oh, so many toys. I'm into being cute to buy a bulb, and oh my god, look at all of the Christmas stuff. It's making me so happy when, you know, we're all in lockdown, but just seeing this makes me so happy. Love it. And then all the Christmas trees. I've actually ordered my Christmas tree already. I need to pick it up on Monday. But oh my god, look at all the Christmas decorations. I thought I'd quickly show you the stuff before I wrap it. And basically me and Aiden's dad got him this. He's been wanting it for so long, like nearly half a year, and we've always said you can have it for your birthday. So he's got that. He got a Build-A-Bear, which he went with me the other day before the shops closed, and we got a Combo Panda. I think it makes, yeah, he wanted the noise.
Here we go, Combo Crew!
Yeah, so it's got the noise in. He's got a Minecraft pig. This is Ruben. I thought it was like a nice little thing to get him. Like I said, I got him Surgeon, and then I got him Snakes and Ladders. I love getting him toys, but I think I want to get him more stuff like this because it's more interactive and we can play together, and it's just I don't know, I just love like board games. It's such a classic. I got him this Minecraft sword. He doesn't know about this, but it makes, it like lights up and then it makes noises. He doesn't actually play Minecraft, but he watches the Minecraft movies on Netflix. It's kind of like an interactive movie, and then you decide what happens next. And then this button, oh, it's just a different colour. So that's what I got him. Also, my sister, when we went to Legoland a few months ago, she got him this, and it was like an early birthday present because he really wanted it, and I've not seen it anywhere else. So she got him this, and I said that because it was so expensive, it was like, I don't know, like £90. He can't just come home and open it. It has to be for his birthday. So I've made him wait until it's his birthday until he can open it. So this has been sitting in his room. So this is one of the presents from my sister. My sister also sent a parcel the other day, so he's got a big box of stuff from her as well. And my sister really spoils him. Yeah, she does. And yeah, so it's not a huge amount. He's obviously still got stuff from his granddad and grandma, the family friends, my friends, and yeah, so he's still got quite a lot. But just for a 4-year-old, come on, like this is like a lot. When I was 4 years old, I literally got like one present and that's it. Kids are so lucky these days. So yeah, that's what I've done. It was actually quite quiet today in the shops. I thought it might be really busy because it's a Saturday. There was no queues at all at the supermarket and it was actually quite quiet inside. Everything else that I went to buy was click and collect, so that was empty and no queues at all, which I am so glad, because last time when we had our first ever lockdown, it got crazy. Like the queues, people being rude, it was just unnecessary, and I'm so glad that people have learned from that experience that there's no need to stockpile. If you just go about your day as you do normally, obviously essential shops are not open, but in terms of supermarkets and stuff like that, it's still open. There's no need to, you know, rush and stockpile and stuff like that. I also got him his number 5 balloon. So they didn't have any of the free paperweights left, so what I've done is I've just brought it home and I've tied it to his monster truck. So that is his paperweight to keep the balloon down. And I'm also making my own balloon garland. I thought since it's going to be a lockdown birthday and there's not much that he can do, I'll go a little bit extra with the decorations and make it a little bit more special for him. So I have this balloon. I'm going to make a balloon garland. I've already blown up about 20 balloons this morning. I've got about another 35 to go, because you do need quite a lot of balloons to make a garland. And then I have a happy birthday banner. I got him some donuts and some crisps just as little snacks, even though we're gonna get takeaway, so I didn't bother with buying any food or anything. And yeah, hopefully he'll like it. And for now, I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna watch a bit of TV, wrap Aiden's presents whilst I'm watching TV. I'm gonna have a pamper session tonight and finish off his balloon garland whilst I watch a movie tonight or something. It's just gonna be a really chilled night. It's actually only 2 PM and I've already done everything that I need to do, and he's not coming back until after breakfast tomorrow morning, so I've still got tomorrow morning as well. Yeah, so I'm glad that he's at his dad's, because it gives me time to do all of this. Otherwise he would have been here and he would have seen it all. So yeah, it's just a chilled evening. Skincare routine, mask, bubble bath. I haven't had a hot bubble bath in a long time, because Aiden's been with me for a few weekends now because his dad was away training for work. So I had him on the weekends, and when he's here I just don't have a bubble bath because it's not nice. Like, it's not relaxing. There's no point. I feel like I'd rather just get into the shower and get it over and done with, rather than having a bubble bath with the door wide open with Aiden and Coffee both sat in the bathroom with me waiting for me to finish. Like, it's just not relaxing. So I always save bubble baths for when he's not here. And I also need to, because I got my winter coats back out but they're hung up on my door in my bedroom, I need to make space in my wardrobe by getting rid of the summer stuff. Like a lot of dresses and a lot of stuff that I can't wear now need to go into storage bags and go under my bed, because there's a big space now where I pulled my winter coats out. There's that space that I need to put my summer stuff into that space and then, you know, do the switch over. So yeah, probably won't be talking for the rest of this vlog because it's just going to be chilled. I'm going to wipe my makeup off. Oh, coffee, not in my mouth. I'm gonna wipe my makeup off, put my glasses on, get into some loungewear, my presents, start the decorations. Need to take some rubbish downstairs, and then yeah, so I'll say bye now, but it's not actually bye.
Last night, Josh went up, okay? I woke up through the night and I had loads of messages off him. He knows how upset I am about